Well, welcome viewers. 6 children left in hot cars when concern became an inconvenience. How does a parent respond when police discover 6 young children sitting unattended inside 2 vehicles on a hot afternoon? With panic? With remorse? With immediate concern for whether the children are safe? Well, in this case, the first response appeared to be argument, denial, resistance, anger toward the very people attempting to remove the children from danger. What initially looked like a brief absence would later become something far more serious. Welcome to the world of lost AWOL women.
10-4. I'm going to have 3 children in that vehicle, probably all under the age of 5. It's been an hour I got here. It's been an hour? They've been here for over an hour. Hi.
Hi. Mine's.
Both?
Yes.
Okay.
Ran in because my sister's
Ran in. How long?
Not long.
She's been here an hour.
Bullshit.
I don't care. I don't care. It's 86 degrees outside.
Okay.
You have 3. There's 3 children under the age of 5 in that vehicle, I'm going to presume, and probably 3 under the age of 5 in that vehicle, I'm going to presume.
Okay.
Is that correct?
Okay.
So you have 6 children in 2 vehicles unattended.
Right.
Where's your information?
I don't have my information.
You have no information. How
No,
did you
I don't.
drive 2 vehicles here?
No, I told you. I met my sister here.
Okay, open the door and start getting kids out. It is 86 degrees. You have a baby and a carrier in that one. You have 3 children. How old is the youngest that's on the
I'm well aware.
How old is the youngest that's on the phone in there? You can't even get the doors open for these kids. Does the driver's side door open?
Yes, it does. They all open.
So open it up.
I know what I'm doing.
I'm not worried about whether you don't know what you're doing. You have
I do.
6 children
I do know what I'm
unattended. No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
2 cars, and I just have adults that came out. I know, I'm trying to get her to open the car so I can get the kids out, though. Thus far, she has no information. I'm trying to get kids out because it's hot and she can't get the doors open.
Yes, I can. Don't lie on the radio. Don't lie.
Okay.
Don't lie on the radio.
It's not the radio, it's my phone.
Whatever. Your phone, whatever.
Where do you have keys to this car?
I got the keys to that car.
Let me have the keys.
No, I could do it.
No, it's not a question of whether you can. I want the kids out. And you have a dog that's back here? We're gonna walk over here and get these kids out next.
Well, no shit.
I don't appreciate the attitude. Here's where I'm at.
No,
you
I
have
don't.
6 children that
You're
you
not gonna
left
yell at
under-
me.
I am gonna yell at you because you're not leaving once you get the kids out.
Yes, I am.
No, ma'am, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, I'm sorry.
I don't know what a bitch gotta say.
I don't-
You're going based off of what she's saying.
That's fine.
You don't even know the whole truth, so you can
I don't need to know the whole truth. You're not even. These kids are not even allowed to be unattended in a vehicle at all.
I could run in for an emergency if
No,
I
you
need
can't.
to.
Not
Yes,
for-
I can.
not for children this
Yes,
small.
I can.
No,
Yes.
I'm sorry.
Show me the law book.
I will show you the law.
Show me the law book.
Get the kids out first.
Girl, bye. Out of here. There's too much going on out here for y'all to be worried about some straight up.
You're right. People stealing vehicles, and 6 kids are in 2 cars.
Girl, bye. Ain't no vehicle being stolen. You're making up shit.
No, I'm not making
Situation
anything
bad.
up.
Yes, you are.
Let's get the kids out.
Shut the fuck up.
It's worth noting the significant damage on not one, but both vehicles the children were in. Due to this woman's behavior, it's not unlikely the children could have been in the vehicles when the damage was done.
Officer Bennett, there's still a puppy that needs to come out of this Acura that's in the trunk.
Y'all so fucking lame.
Nobody's lame. It's the
Y'all
the carriage.
lame.
That's
No,
fine.
you guys are lame.
That's fine. You can call us lame. That's fine. Sorry, people are worrying about your children.
Viewers, this sort of attitude is the attitude that would be put upon anybody in a relationship with this woman. And I guarantee the 6 children aren't to the 1 man.
Girl,
Right?
bye. That's not wearing on my children. That's
You're not telling me
overstepping.
bye 'cause
You're
I'm not
overstepping.
leaving.
You want to sit around? That's cool. But
I am sitting around because you're not leaving.
I am leaving because.
Okay.
Hello.
How you doing?
Good until now.
Why is that?
Because allegations, of course, but you know,
Allegations?
It's obvious.
allegations actually.
Because you left your kids in the car?
No one left the kids in the car.
Well, you weren't here when I came to the cars.
Right,
So
when-
therefore
when
they're
you
left.
came. When
So
you
therefore
came.
they're left.
What's up, kid? High five?
These people never get anywhere because the denial is completely intolerable. You cannot put up with this type of denial. That's why they never get anywhere.
To go get my sister a diaper because she's changing a baby inside as well. So we're multitasking. No one left for a long time.
Okay, now that the kids are out of the car, I need you to start finding me some identification.
I don't
or
have identification.
Okay, then you can start providing me your name.
No.
No?
No.
Okay, so we have 3 kids in this vehicle, these 3 here. 3 kids and there's still a puppy in the
Come on,
Acura.
Tanya.
You're not free to go. You're not free to go from here.
All right, ma'am, you're gonna make this harder than it needs to be.
Okay, so what do you need? I don't have my information.
So I'm
and
going to get
choosing to choose my First Amendment, and I'm not going to give my information, and that's it.
You don't have a choice at
Viewers, police arrived after receiving a welfare call concerning 6 young children left inside 2 vehicles while outside temperature was reportedly 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Officers immediately attempted to open the vehicles, remove the children and secure a puppy that had also been left inside one of the cars. The adult repeatedly claimed that she had only been gone briefly. They argued that the officers were overstepping, refused to provide identification, and she insisted the children were fine. This is complete self-unawareness and unawareness of the situation unfolding around her. But security footage reportedly told a different story. According to the account presented in the footage, 3 children had been left unattended for approximately 1:20 p.m. The remaining 3 had reportedly been inside the second vehicle from around 2:25 p.m. and the police arrived at 4 p.m. After 4 p.m. That meant one group had allegedly been unattended for approximately 90 minutes, while the other had reportedly been left for nearly 3 hours. Now viewers, this isn't uncommon. This happens all the time. The interiors of both vehicles were described as being in severe disarray, containing open food, partially eaten meals, dirty baby bottles and used diapers. Medical personnel transported the children to hospital for assessment. The 2 sisters were taken into custody and were each charged with 3 counts of child endangerment. They remained legally innocent until proven guilty in court. But what disturbs officers and what disturbs us was not only the alleged duration, it was the resistance, the denial, and the combativeness. Concern for the children was repeatedly treated as interference, police instructions were treated as personal attacks, and the possibility that the children distressed appeared secondary to the adults' anger at being questioned.
this point to give your information.
Yes, I do.
You really want to do this in front of your kids?
Dude, what? What is the problem? Why are you guys
Give
full
your
force?
So here's the deal. Provide the information or we're gonna just put all the kids in cars and we'll go to the police station so we can fingerprint.
Okay, you guys really want to do that to
100%.
Okay.
I at least know that they'll be cool and they'll be in a place for a little bit where they can get some food and water. So, what's the last name?
Oh, my kids look starved and thirst. Okay.
Well, they look hot and in distress.
Okay.
So,
What's the last name?
Yes, my sister's here.
Who's your sister? Where's she
She's
at?
inside.
And you got these are all your kids, or some of them are
No,
your sister's
some are
kids?
my sister's kids too. It was quick. I was just giving her diapers because she has another child. That's it.
What's the last name? We can get this ball rolling a little bit faster if you would just provide the information. You're just making it more difficult and you're just putting on a show
This
at this
is
point.
called willful ignorance.
Looking for the welfare of your kids. Yes. Call us
Girl, whatever,
crazy.
girl.
Call us crazy.
Whatever, girl.
I'll start grabbing car seats so we can take them out to the police department.
You're not taking my kids.
Well, you're not
taking my kids. You're not taking my kids.
Then provide
What am I under arrest for? And what are you going to take my kids
Right
for?
now you're being detained for the welfare of
No, I'm not being detained. I would like to
For the
speak
ages
to a
that-
supervisor then because
My
this is
supervisor's right
insane.
here.
We need to move your
This is
kids.
insane.
This young lady wants to leave.
Right
We gotta
up here
move them
to
this
my
way.
spot.
Let's go into that empty parking space over there, please.
Do you have a lock for the car seats?
What do you mean, this?
Yes, a lock so they don't roll backwards.
I was giving to her on the other
I'm just asking.
I know, and I'm responding.
Okay.
Your question.
Okay. Give your date of birth. Let's
Because
move
I know
on
how
from
you
this.
guys are. You guys are gonna try to make a report.
There
and
is
I don't
already
feel
a report.
We got called here. There's a report regardless.
I didn't just drive by and see
Of
6
course
kids.
not. I know
Right,
that.
so we got called. So now a report has to be done. Where's your sister right now?
After she's done taking care of the other child, she should be coming.
How would you feel, viewers, if this was one of your children and this woman was looking after them? Just look at it from that perspective. A lot of men get into relationships with these types of women. They get abandoned. The woman takes off with some other bloke, has another child, and then this is what happens. You've got to stand back and watch these children be brought up in these types of environments. It's horrible.
She still hasn't given you her information?
No.
Is that your sister right there?
Hi.
Hello. Which vehicle is yours? Okay, I'm talking to you. Which vehicle is yours?
Yeah, someone called and said that we got to. So who will call?
Some person concerned of the 6 children sitting in vehicles.
They're fine. I had my phone on.
Okay, they're young. It's hot.
I know. It wasn't long. I'm
How long?
pretty aware. I'm not answering nothing.
You're not answering any.
All right, so this is what we're gonna do.
I know we're
This
quick.
is too much.
Go
No,
ahead,
no,
bring
no,
you back.
no.
You're under arrest.
For what? You guys are gonna report it? We're the only person that have our kids. We have our phones on. I already lost my kid's father.
All you gave was a smarty ass answer back.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. You were aware of how long. Answer my question. My question was how long?
I'm not gonna answer questions,
Great,
ma'am.
so that's fine. So the kids are coming with us and you'll go to the police department.
Oh my God.
The medics are coming to check out your kids to make sure your kids are fine because they were left in the car alone.
Right now I'm in a panic. I don't want to say nothing stupid where I'm gonna get my sentence recorrected and recorrected.
Give all of your information to this
I'm gonna get the information, but please, can we just have some humane, please? Come on, man. You don't gotta always be the bad guy, man. I understand. Can we just rewind, man?
A little too late for that.
Why is it too late? You guys are making it too late. You guys know that.
Come over here. It's okay. Look it. It's okay.
Can you come over here? Mommy can't move around with these little cuffs on me.
After the children are transported to the hospital to confirm they're okay, an officer secure the puppy that was also in one of the vehicles. The 2 sisters are transported to jail.
Nobody touch my kids. I'm safe. Ain't nobody trustworthy over there either. They're safer in the car than getting kidnapped in the damn mall.
Viewers, I just want to say it was obvious that those little children were past the element of abused. You can tell they haven't been raised and looked after properly.
And make sure you understand. Today you're going to be charged with 3 counts of child endangerment for all 3 children, okay? You are receiving an I-bond. You will be released in a little bit, okay? The children right now are still at the hospital. They're waiting on for the hospital to discharge and release the kids. It is 5 working business days, so you are not able to come and take the kids within those 5 days. So you may not just come in and pop by and take them or, go for a walk or anything. Mr. I just want to make you aware, I'm going to go finish the paperwork on my end. Today you're being charged with 3 counts of child endangerment for the 3 children that were left in the car. Okay, so I'm just making you aware of that, just so you know when I come back here and book you, it's going to be for those 3 charges.
Police later learned through security footage that 3 children had been left unattended in the vehicle since approximately 1:20 p.m., and the other had been left unattended in the other vehicle since approximately 2:25 p.m. Police responded to the scene just after 4 p.m., meaning 3 children were left for about an hour and a half, and the other 3 were left for nearly 3 hours. Police observed the interior of both vehicles to be in complete disarray with open food containers, half-eaten food, dirty baby bottles, and dirty diapers throughout. Both sisters were each charged with 3 counts of child endangerment, and they are both innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
Viewers, leaving young children unattended inside a vehicle is not a minor lapse in judgment, nor a pet for that matter. Heat can rise rapidly, vehicles can be stolen, children can become distressed, dehydrated or critically ill, maybe even die before an adult realises the danger. This incident became more than a police confrontation. It became a demonstration of what happens when personal inconvenience becomes more important than immediate responsibility. And this is the culture within a lot of single mothers. The officers did not create the danger, they interrupted it. And when strangers appear more concerned about the safety of children than the adults responsible for them, the deepest problem is no longer outside the vehicle. It's in the mindset of the woman that left them there.